Imagine you can convince investors to fund you. How can you do that? Well, it's a matter of transformation because all of us who have a great idea, something that is big and powerful, it might even be disruption or innovation that really will amaze investors. All of us who have that great idea, we often have to become something different. We need to transform into someone who can pitch so powerfully that people are captivated. And how do you do that? During my interactive workshop, you will not just hear ideas, you will actually impact your neural pathways because you will be having experiences. During the workshop, you'll be interacting with others and trying out new techniques that help you radiate confidence even though you feel nervous inside. What you do is you transform, going from nervous energy to get ready energy. And I like to say that confidence is built on evidence. And what is this evidence? It's preparation that happens in the interactive workshop. So I invite you to my interactive workshop so that you can have the ability to handle the tough situations. What if your mind goes blank? You'll know how to handle it. What if the investor asks you some tough question and it throws you? You'll be able to handle that too. Why? Because during the interactive workshop, you will practice techniques that are proven to help you reach people so that they trust you and they want to invest in you and invest in your business or project, your big idea. And now, hear what many people say who have experienced around the world my interactive workshops and what great value they've gained.
I'm excited to tell you that I just won the grand prize at the Igniter Summit here in Bangkok, and my heartfelt gratitude to Tom Marcoux for giving me those essential tips.
Tom's speech about confidence, I thought he conveyed a lot of confidence. It was very genuine. I definitely picked up some good tips.
It was the most delightful and entertaining and knowledgeable presentation I've ever had the chance to listen to.
He's very skilled.
I learned how to manage to control the bad questions and how to approach them in a really good way.
Tom's speech on confidence. I learned so much. I learned the 3 points as to how you can create this feeling of presence.
What I appreciated about Tom's workshop, I felt like I came out of the workshop with more confidence.
Useful, practical tips, which I noted down a lot of them, and I'm going to use them.
It was amazing. It has helped me solidify my thoughts. I feel like I have a better process now.
Really, really helpful. And I would recommend that everybody take a workshop with Tom. It will help you so much.